Hey everybody, this is going to be a remake of my solving Rubik's Cube while rapping fast video because somebody said that I didn't really do it, so that really bothered me. I actually had a verse that I was going to do for you guys today, but oh well, I thought I'd do another fun video. But I've been writing, stuff like that. I got like a book that I have that I write in. It says thoughts on the book, so this is a Diane Guhong, what the hell? So this is a good cube or whatever, it's a new one I got. So I'm going to solve this for you guys. And then, I guess that'll be it. This weapon of the video would be a bat. I don't think I've ever used this in a video, but yeah, that would hurt pretty damn bad. Like, I would cry a little. Like, I'm crying just thinking about it. Alright, so let's scramble now. Alright, so, cube is scrambizzled. Now I shall solve it on 3, or on go actually. So, when you mark, get set. Watch the lyrical flow. Oh, this start with my throw. Be pump, pump, it above the melody, bringing them over the height. This is funky tempo. I know that it is subbing up heightness. Stuff in them, I'm a lyrical rhythm. I throw my tongue, believe it, I'm hung among. The study, don't want to take it. I'm out of a second label lyrical time. Scope them out of the prison, give it the lyrical flow that I fizzum. I take it with the rubber, get up only my lyric was left. My tongue twister is death. First, let me take a deep breath. Flow with the lyrical magic, the rubbish, with the big enough, and I make it a bigger son, I make it about the son of the son, I be kicking them out of the rock, and I'm humming the bricks upon my side, I'm making my tongue forward, and making it to my comedy, give him a concept. Let the cabinet tongue kisser, it's the Mr. Tongue Twister, pump it with the lyrical style. On my tongue, I'll be flinging a funky pile of lyrical rhymes, breaking them off, and I better be flowing them holy. I'm kicking a funky slime, but I'm just like petroleum, slowly. Pump it up, flow with the lyrical, breaking them off with a radical texture. I'm a brother, you can never get next up. Lecture style, I'm gonna give it a lyrical. Alright, so that's done. Done. Cube is completely solved. And I don't think I said it in the beginning of the video, but what happened was the cube was misaligned like this. And I leaned over to my desk that's over there, and I pushed it down like that. So anyway, so it's all done now. There's your proof that I can actually do it. This video is dedicated to Kinnen because she's a babe, and I love her. She wanted me to tell everybody how much I love her, so I miss the good old days. So anyways, see you later, everybody. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.